So if you want to pair and connect your Redmi Buds 6 Pro to any smart TV, all you have to do is put them in Bluetooth pairing mode. So open up the case with the earbuds inside, and then there's going to be this little button right next to the charging port. Press and hold that button until the light on the case starts blinking like that. Then you know they are in Bluetooth pairing mode. And then now you can go to the Bluetooth settings of your TV. It's different for every smart TV, but for this specific LG, I'll just go to settings and then go to all settings. And then I'll go to sound because I'm connecting a sound device. I'll go to sound. Like I said, it's different for every smart TV. You just need to go to your Bluetooth sound settings. So I'll go to sound out, and then I have all these options. I'll need to select use wireless speaker, and then it's going to start looking for available Bluetooth devices. If I go to these three dots, click on them, and then allow it to search. So as you can see, we have the Redmi Buds 6 Pro available. I'll click on them to select, and they're gonna get connected, paired and connected. There you go. So you can see the Redmi Buds 6 Pro are connected. That's how you normally connect on an LG TV. But basically, in just more or less the same process for any smart TV. Thanks for watching. Now that they're connected, you can just take them out of the case, put them in your ear, and use them to consume media on your TV. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.